Open your spice rack. What do you see? Salt, pepper, maybe some oregano? Now look closer. Way in the back, almost lost in the shadows, sits a jar of cloves. They're small, dark, and unassuming, but don't be fooled. These little guys are packed with flavor and history. Cloves are more than just a spice. They've been used for centuries in medicine, perfumes, and even love potions. That's right, these little brown buds have a story to tell. A story that takes us from ancient spice roots to your kitchen cabinet. So buckle up, food fans. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure. Get ready to discover the amazing world of cloves. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are cloves? Imagine a tiny dried flower bud. That's a clove. They come from the clove tree, a tropical evergreen that loves warm, sunny climates. Picture yourself on a spice plantation in Indonesia. The air is thick with the scent of cloves. You see workers carefully picking the unopened flower buds by hand. These buds are then dried under the hot sun, turning into the familiar dark brown cloves we know. But cloves are more than just pretty buds. They have a strong, pungent aroma and a warm, slightly bitter taste. This unique flavor comes from a compound called Eugenol, but more on that later. Cloves have a long and fascinating history. They're native to a small group of islands in Indonesia, known as the Spice Islands. Can you imagine a place where the air is always filled with the aroma of spices? It must have been intoxicating. For centuries, cloves were a closely guarded secret of the Spice Islands. They were traded with merchants from India, China, and the Middle East. Can you imagine these ancient traders, sailing across vast oceans all for the love of cloves? The Romans loved cloves too. They used them in cooking, perfumes, and even as breath fresheners. Imagine a Roman emperor popping cloves to mask the taste of his wine. The quest for cloves wasn't always peaceful. In the 16th century, European powers like Portugal and the Netherlands were hungry for spices. They wanted to control the lucrative spice trade, and they were willing to fight for it. Think about the lengths people went to for cloves. Imagine Portuguese and Dutch ships battling it out on the high seas, all for control of these tiny, fragrant buds. It's like something out of a pirate movie. Eventually, the Dutch gained control of the Spice Islands. They ruthlessly guarded their monopoly, even going so far as to uproot clove trees on other islands to control the supply. Talk about taking your love for spices to the extreme. Cloves in traditional medicine, ancient wisdom, modern relevance. Cloves haven't just been used in the kitchen. For centuries, they've been prized for their medicinal properties in traditional medicine systems around the world. In Ayurveda, the traditional medicine of India, cloves are used to treat digestive issues. Imagine sipping on clove tea to soothe an upset stomach. In Chinese medicine, cloves are believed to warm the body and improve circulation. And of course, we all know about cloves' use as a toothache remedy. Remember that compound Eugenol we mentioned earlier? Well, it has natural pain-relieving and antiseptic properties. That's why biting on a clove can help numb a toothache. Eugenol, the secret weapon of cloves. Let's dive deeper into Eugenol, the star of the clove show. This remarkable compound is the essence of what makes cloves so special. This powerful compound is what gives cloves their distinctive aroma and taste. Imagine the warm, spicy scent that fills the air when you open a jar of cloves. But it's also responsible for many of cloves' health benefits. From ancient times to modern days, cloves have been cherished for their medicinal properties. Eugenol is a natural anesthetic. This means it can numb pain, making it incredibly useful in various medical applications. That's why it's used in dentistry to numb the gums. Dentists often rely on Eugenol-based gels to provide relief during procedures. It's also a powerful antimicrobial agent, meaning it can kill bacteria and fungi. This makes it a potent weapon against infections. No wonder cloves have been used for so long to treat infections. Ancient civilizations knew the secret power of cloves and utilized them in their healing practices. But wait, there's more. Eugenol is also an antioxidant. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining our health. Antioxidants are like superheroes for your cells, protecting them from damage. They neutralize harmful free radicals which can cause cellular damage and lead to various diseases. So, by enjoying cloves, you're not just tantalizing your taste buds, you're also giving your body a health boost. Next time you savor a dish with cloves, remember the incredible benefits packed in each tiny bud. Cloves in the kitchen. from sweet to savory. Now, let's get to the good stuff using cloves in the kitchen. Cloves are incredibly versatile. They can add depth and warmth to both sweet and savory dishes. Imagine the warm, comforting aroma of clove-studded oranges baking in the oven, or the rich, complex flavor of cloves in a hearty beef stew. Cloves can also add a touch of spice to desserts like gingerbread cookies and pumpkin pie. When using cloves, a little goes a long way. Their strong flavor can easily overpower other ingredients, so start small and add more to taste. A global spice: cloves in different cuisines. Cloves are truly a global spice. They're used in cuisines all over the world, adding their unique flavor to a wide variety of dishes. From the bustling markets of India to the vibrant kitchens of Mexico and the aromatic food stalls of China, cloves have found their way into the heart of many culinary traditions. In Indian cuisine, cloves are a key ingredient in garam masala, a blend of spices used in countless curries and stews. This spice mix is essential in creating the rich, layered flavors that Indian food is known for. Imagine the aroma of cloves mingling with cumin, coriander, and turmeric, creating a symphony of flavors. Each spice plays its part, but cloves add a distinctive warmth and depth that is unmistakable. In Mexican cuisine, cloves are used in moles, complex sauces often served with meats and poultry. These sauces are a labor of love, often taking hours to prepare, and cloves are a crucial component in achieving their signature taste. Picture a rich, dark mole sauce, simmered for hours with cloves, chilies, and chocolate. The cloves add a spicy, slightly sweet note that balances the heat of the chilies and the bitterness of the chocolate. The combination is simply divine. The depth of flavor that cloves bring to mole sauce is unparalleled, making it a favorite in Mexican households. And let's not forget about Chinese 5-spice powder, a blend of star anise, cloves, cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorns, and fennel seeds. This blend is a staple in Chinese cooking, used to season everything from meats to vegetables. This aromatic blend is used in everything from marinades to stir-fries, adding a warm, complex flavor to dishes. The cloves and the 5-spice powder contribute a sweet, pungent note that enhances the overall taste profile. Cloves are not just limited to these cuisines, they are also used in Middle Eastern, African, and European dishes, showcasing their versatility. In Middle Eastern cuisine, cloves are often used in rice dishes and meat stews, adding a fragrant touch. In African cuisine, cloves are used in spice blends like berbere, which is essential in Ethiopian cooking. They add a unique flavor that complements the other spices in the blend. In European cuisine, cloves are often used in baking, adding a warm, spicy note to cakes, cookies, and pastries. They are also used in mulled wine and cider, adding a festive touch to these beverages. Truly, cloves are a global spice, enhancing the flavors of dishes from all corners of the world. Their unique taste and aroma make them an indispensable ingredient in many culinary traditions. Fun facts about cloves. Did you know? Ready for some fun clove facts? Here are a few tidbits to impress your friends. Did you know that a single clove tree can produce up to 75 pounds of cloves per year? That's a lot of cloves. In ancient China, cloves were so highly prized that courtiers were required to hold cloves in their mouths when addressing the emperor to sweeten their breath. Talk about a natural breath mint. Cloves are a natural mosquito repellent. The next time you're battling mosquitoes, try burning a few cloves to keep those pesky insects at bay. Cloves, a spice for the ages. From ancient spice roots to modern kitchens, cloves have captivated our senses and enriched our lives for centuries. They're a testament to the power of nature, offering a unique blend of flavor, history, and health benefits. So the next time you reach for your jar of cloves, take a moment to appreciate these tiny but mighty buds. They're more than just a spice, they're a journey through time, a taste of adventure, and a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world. Section 11. Beyond the spice rack, other uses of cloves. Cloves are not just a spice to enhance the flavor of your dishes, they have a multitude of other uses that might surprise you. But the story doesn't end there. Cloves have been used for centuries in various cultures for their medicinal and practical benefits. Cloves are incredibly versatile and have uses beyond the kitchen. They can be found in health remedies, beauty products, and even household solutions. Remember Eugenol, the powerful compound we discussed earlier? This compound is what gives cloves their unique properties. It's used in a variety of applications, from dental care to pain relief. Eugenol is a key ingredient in many over-the-counter pain relief creams and dental products. Clove oil extracted from cloves is used in aromatherapy for its calming and relaxing properties. It can help reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. Imagine diffusing clove oil in your home to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The rich, spicy scent can make any space feel cozy and welcoming. Clove oil is also used as a natural insecticide and pesticide. It's an eco-friendly option for keeping pests at bay. Its strong aroma repels insects, making it a great alternative to harsh chemicals. You can use it in your garden or home to keep bugs away naturally. And for all you DIY enthusiasts out there, cloves can be a fantastic addition to your projects. Cloves can even be used to make homemade potpourri and scented candles. These can be wonderful gifts or a treat for yourself. Imagine filling your home with the warm, spicy aroma of cloves all year round. It's a simple way to add a touch of comfort and luxury to your everyday life. You can also infuse your cleaning products with clove oil for a fresh-smelling home. It's a natural way to keep your living space clean and fragrant. In skincare, clove oil is valued for its antibacterial properties. It can help with acne and other skin issues, making it a versatile addition to your beauty routine. Lastly, clove oil is often used in massage therapy. Its warming effect can help relieve muscle pain and tension, providing a soothing experience. As you can see, cloves are much more than just a spice. Their diverse applications make them a valuable addition to any household. So next time you think of cloves, remember their many uses beyond the spice rack. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.